Hold up. Nvidia just dropped tech that could change everything from gaming to AI. Alright, listen up. Nvidia just dropped announcements hotter than your phone after a 3-hour TikTok binge. From mind-blowing GPUs to AI tech that's basically from the future, they're not just flexing, they're changing the game. So what's the hype about? Why is everyone losing it? And most importantly, should you care? Short answer, yes. Long answer, stick around and find out. First up, let's talk about the new RTX 50 series GPUs. Nvidia's basically saying, oh, you thought we peaked with the 4090? Hold my energy drink. They're rocking the new Blackwell architecture, which without the tech jargon means it's faster, smarter, and makes your old GPU look like a potato. Leading the lineup, RTX 5090. Specs? Ridiculous. 32 GB of GDR7 memory, 2,760 CUDA cores, aka double the performance of the 4090. Gamers, imagine playing your fave titles at 4K with ray tracing on, and your PC isn't sounding like it's about to take off. Creators? Editing an 8K video feels like dragging and dropping a meme in your group chat. Smooth. Can't drop $2,000 on a GPU? Same. The RTX 5080 hits at $999. High performance without selling a kidney. Need something even cheaper? The RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070 are coming in hot at $749 and $549. Your wallet breathes a sigh of relief. But let's talk about the real MVP here, DLSS 4. It's like the glow-up filter for your games. This tech uses AI to guess what the next frame looks like and nails it. Translation? More frames, less lag, and visuals so crisp you'll think you need to clean your monitor. Don't, though. You just did last week, remember? Gaming in 4K or even 8K. DLSS 4's got your back. Even if you're not a tech nerd, you'll notice how buttery smooth everything feels. Now, let's talk about something straight out of a sci-fi movie, Project Digits. What if I told you that you could have a supercomputer, like the ones in high-tech labs, but on your desk? Yeah, that's what Digits is. This thing packs 1 petaflop of AI power. That's 1 trillion calculations per second. Brain explosion. And it's not just for big companies. Whether you're an indie dev, a startup hustler, or someone building an AI model in your dorm room, no judgment, this makes high-level computing actually accessible. At $3,000, it's not exactly impulse buy territory, but compared to spending millions on data center access, it's a steal. Plus, no more relying on laggy cloud services. You get faster processing, better security, and instant bragging rights. And it's versatile. Healthcare, crunch genomic data like a boss. Real-time stock analysis, because, stocks. Simulate designs before you even build them, IRL. Oh, and it's energy efficient and compact. Translation: no need to sacrifice your gaming setup or move to a bigger apartment. Ever wonder how self-driving cars learn to handle crazy stuff like a squirrel dashing across the road? Enter Cosmos, Nvidia's virtual playground where AI models train without risking real-world chaos. Cosmos uses a whopping 20 million hours of video data to let robots and AIs test themselves in virtual environments. Imagine a robot practicing how to pick up fragile objects, or a self-driving car learning how to handle a blizzard. Pretty wild, right? And here's the kicker. It focuses on edge cases, those rare oh-no moments that are hard and expensive to recreate IRL. Think unexpected roadblocks, weird factory issues, or your cat jumping onto your keyboard mid-project. Why does this matter? Faster AI development. Safer tech that actually works in real life. Way fewer AI fails compilations, though we do kind of love those. Plus, Cosmos lets multiple AIs interact together. Imagine drones, robotic arms, and delivery bots all working in sync without bumping into each other like clumsy NPCs. This could seriously level up automation in warehouses and factories. Alright, gamers, this one's for you. Nvidia's GeForce Now just got a massive upgrade with 14 new games. Doesn't matter if you're into high-intensity shooters, cozy indie games, or rage-quitting during platformers. We've all been there. There's something for you. Here's why GeForce Now slaps. Stream games directly to your phone, laptop, or TV. No need for a beefy PC or expensive console. High-quality gaming, even on that old laptop from 2016. Yup, really. And get this, they gave members virtual access to their CES keynote. Imagine chilling at home, snacks in hand, getting front-row access to a tech event usually reserved for industry insiders. GeForce Now isn't just a platform, it's becoming a whole ecosystem where cloud gaming meets digital events and tech showcases. The future is now, old man. So, what's the bottom line? Nvidia isn't just dropping products, they're building an entire ecosystem where everything just works together. RTX 50 series, insane graphics, AI-powered frame boosts, and options for every budget. Project Digits, supercomputing on your desk, because why not? Cosmos, training AI in virtual worlds so it doesn't mess up IRL. Force Now, gaming without hardware stress, and more digital experiences on the way. It's all about making cutting-edge tech accessible, not just for huge companies, but for everyday people like you and me. And let's be real. The next few years in tech, they're going to be wild. All right, I want to hear from you. Which of these Nvidia innovations has you the most hyped? Drooling over the new GPUs? Blown away by digits? Or are you just excited you can finally game on your mom's Chromebook? Hit the comments below and let's geek out together. And hey, if you're into future tech, AI updates, and actual entertaining breakdowns like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Trust me, you'll want to stick around. Thanks for watching. You're the real MVP.